5-gallon bucket full of water weighs about 45 pounds. This is some cordage made of 2 yucca leaves. Let's see if it can hold it. All you need to make this is your teeth and your fingernails. Yucca is historically an incredibly important plant for materials among natives in the Southwest. The roots were used for soap, the flowering stalks for fire drills, the split leaves for basketry, and plenty more. But the strong longitudinal fibers are what makes this plant so valuable. Leaf fibers were used for bowstrings, sandals, general cordage and binding, sewing thread, lashings for house construction, brushes, a netting framework for rabbit fur or feather clothing and blankets, and even woven clothing. The two-ply cordage method I show here is a common historical technique. However, sometimes the raw leaves were boiled or the fibers were soaked in mud or ash, and the cordage was often rolled on the thigh. Boiling does help soften them for chewing and makes them less toxic, but you can totally skip that step if you need to. Thigh rolling is faster, but yields less consistent cordage. Tightly hand-twisted two-ply is the strongest. No problem.